Hey everyone, welcome to Review Nation. Handheld immersion blenders can tackle nearly everything a countertop blender does, only they're more budget-friendly, portable, and small kitchen-friendly. You can use them to whip up egg whites, quickly create whipped cream, make smoothies, puree creamy soups, and much more. If you're somebody who struggles to get your fruits and veggies in, an immersion blender can turn broccoli and broth into a nice soup. There are various products available to choose from immersion blenders, each with different quality, benefits, and prices. Today in this video, I will help you take the perfect pick from those available products. After extensive research and reading tons of reviews, I have made a list of the best immersion blender out of the reputed brands based on personal opinion, product quality, durability, and customer reviews. If you want to see the price and find out more information about the products, be sure to check the links in the description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vitamix Immersion Blender. Featuring a high-powered motor 625 watts, it genuinely gives you superior blending performance, turning your foods into creamy, nutrient-dense purees in a matter of seconds. We tested the Vitamix against other immersion blenders before coming to the conclusion that this is among the fastest, most efficient hand blenders on the market. Although it costs nearly twice as much as others, the premium price isn't just for the brand name. At 17.5 inches tall by 3 inches wide, the Vitamix is larger than average, but it doesn't feel bulky or cumbersome. That length, in fact, may allow it to reach the bottom of deep pots more easily. At 3.2 pounds, it is also heavier than most, but maneuvering it is no issue since the handle is ergonomically designed and coated with a rubber layer to ensure a comfortable grip. The Vitamix features an intuitive interface. You can get 5 different speeds using the 2 buttons on the front for power and speed control. Furthermore, because this machine accelerates much more smoothly than most of the blenders on our list, it allows you to start low and increase as you go without the risk of splattering. Number 2. KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender. People love KitchenAid products for their overall quality, and this blender lives up to the company's reputation. Well constructed, versatile, and moderately powerful, the KitchenAid KHBBV53 is made to cover every basic task. Creamy mayonnaise, hot soup, and baby food are just the start. As a cordless device, it is powered by a lithium-ion battery which can keep it running long enough for about 25 medium bowls of soup. The battery charges fully in 2 hours, but you can get enough power in 20 minutes for most any quick task. We like the beauty and simplicity of this blender's design. The controls are also practical enough. You can get multiple speed options through a trigger switch which is extremely responsive. The palm switch on the blender's backside functions as a helpful safety mechanism. Number 3. Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. So far, we haven't found much to complain about with this blender, especially given its reasonable price. Though it wasn't the most efficient model in all tests, it beat the competition within its price range hands down thanks to its versatility and heavy-duty performance. Most impressively, its surfaces are anti-stick, the parts feel extra sturdy, and the whole thing stands up to wear and tear better than others. The included practical accessory package makes it an even better value. As we learned from our in-house testing, this hand blender can function as a chopper, grinder, or mixer for large quantities of food. Just note that its stainless steel blending tools may scratch or mar your non-stick cookware. At roughly 2 pounds, the Braun MultiQuick 5 can quickly make small batches of food without overtaxing your hand and wrist. Its ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip so you can perform a wide range of cooking activities with unparalleled comfort. In short, we believe that most people will be pleased with this blender in almost every respect. Number 4. KOIOS 800W Hand Immersion Blender. As a lower-powered blender, the KOIOS 4-in-1 didn't blend as smoothly as the Vitamix or the Braun MultiQuick 5. It had trouble with hard ingredients like frozen fruits, but it proved itself to be a good value for the money with consistent performance on light-duty tasks. Despite the inexpensive price, this KOIOS comes with most of the advanced features that we've come to expect from a decent immersion blender. Its 400-watt motor is sufficient to ensure an even outcome, while the stainless steel 2-pronged blades are built well enough for regular use. And its 2 different speed options are enough to cover most of your needs. The package even includes a whisk, a blending jar, and a small chopper attachment for greater versatility in the kitchen. We found the whisk to be moderately capable of whipping cream, beating eggs, and emulsifying mayonnaise. Number 5. Bella 10-Speed Immersion Blender. The Bella 10-Speed is an average hand blender with a sharp blade locked into a sturdy stainless steel wand for safe and easy operation. It's a valuable option if you are willing to compromise on heavy blending performance and a little bit of comfort. In return, you get a bunch of helpful features and a kit of mixing attachments to aid in many different cooking styles. We like the Bella 10 speed for its ergonomic design and the convenience it adds to the kitchen. Its 350-watt motor lets you blend, puree, or mix with acceptable results, while the solid body offers a reasonably comfortable, non-slip grip. As you may guess from the name, it's also equipped with 10 speed settings that you select using 2 front buttons and a top dial. Also included in this set is a whisk, a blending jar, and a small chopper attachment, which is really nice if you want to get more creative in your kitchen. Indeed, we were really surprised by this blender's performance, especially on smoothies. At the highest speed settings, it broke all the frozen fruits down into liquid form without much struggle, delivering a silky smoothie that not many blenders in this price range could match. For those who want lump-free smoothies every day, this Bella 10 speed is definitely one of the best options. Just be aware that its motor vibrates excessively, causing your hands to feel shaky throughout the blending process. That's all from my end. I make helpful review videos daily, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. If you need more information or if you want to know the price or any available discount, please check the links in my description. For any kind of problems, please comment below. Stay tuned with us for updated reviews on the best products. It will save time and money. See you later in our future videos.